So something that we've never shown before on this channel, which I thought would be super fun to demonstrate, how to apply your buttons to this cardigan. To get started, you're gonna grab a needle and some thread. You should thread your needle double, so your loose ends are here and your loop is over here. So to begin, you're going to go ahead and grab some yarn where you want your button to be, and we're gonna secure our thread to that. So don't pull it all the way through. Once you've got your little loop there, go ahead and thread your needle back through the loop, and you've now secured it. So go ahead and grab your little button. We're just gonna come up through, and you can do whatever style you want. You can go up and down, you can go sideways. It's completely up to you. Just go ahead and sew on your button. So you want it to be pretty secure so your button is not going anywhere, because buttons get lots of use. In order to lift your button up and off so it's not squished into your fabric, go ahead and come up sort of under your button, and we're gonna wrap our thread around it a few times. So it creates a little shank, so it lifts your button up. And then you actually just wanna go ahead and finish off right underneath your button so that the back is clean. So go ahead and slide your needle through your little loop and do that a few times so it's really secure. Make sure it's really secure. Then you're good to go ahead and just finish off and then snip your thread under your button, and you have a nice lifted, secure button. So hopefully that was helpful for you in applying your beautiful little button bands to this cardigan. Bye!